Welcome back to Eagles FS. In this video, I will teach you how to take trade using only one H4 candlestick. So this strategy focuses on going to your H4 and observe a bullish candlestick. Then scale down to 5 minutes time frame and take your trade. Okay, but before I explain this strategy to you, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do is to dive in and open your chart. Go to your H4 candle and wash out the candlestick to print. Once you see that the bullish candlestick has printed, the way I'm showing this candle that you are seeing here represent H4 on a 4-hour time frame. So all you need to do is to observe this candle. You can see this is the high that the candle has threaded, and this line is the close of the candle, and this place is the low of the candle. Okay, so all you have to do now is to observe a pullback into this zone. The next H4 candle that will form will start from this zone. Okay, so observe a pullback into this purple zone and go down to your 5 minutes time frame. Okay, as you go, as the price is pulling back into this purple zone. Now take a look at your left hand side and watch out for any institutional reference point like order block, fair value gap, or breaker block. Once price get to any of these institutional reference point on your left hand side, watch out for a bullish engulf candle. Okay, once you see a bullish engulf candle on 5 minutes time frame, then you pick your trade from that. At the close of that bullish engulf candle, you pick your trade and put your stop loss below the zone of that bullish engulf candle and take your trade to 1:2. That's what you target. Just target 1:2. This is a scalping strategy. Okay, any beginner trader can apply this strategy, and this strategy works perfectly. So if you pay attention and put it into practice, it is capable of changing your forex trading journey. So let's go to the race chart. Let me show you this strategy. Then, but before you go to the race chart, there's conditions whereby you cannot take this trade. So let me show you the condition. If the next H4 candles open and you move to your 5 minutes time frame and price start printing upwards like this, if price start printing upwards like this, okay, kindly ignore it and allow it to go. Okay, that's condition number one. Then condition number two, if price open in H4 candle and price start moving in this direction, start printing lower low, and you notice that when you get to the institutional reference point, there's no bullish engulf candle, kindly ignore it and price start moving down this way, you know that this price want to go down. So these are two conditions that when you see it, avoid trading this strategy. So any beginner can do this. Let's go to the rate chart. All right, this is GBP USD. As you can see it here, this is GBP USD. I hope you are seeing the chart very clear. All right, and this is H4 time frame. And now let's look at it. Okay, let's take a look at this. This was what happened yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. Okay, then 20th of June 2025. So let's look at what happened yesterday. You can see this bullish engulf candle that happens here. Okay, so let's go and take a very look at this bullish engulf candle that happens here and see. You can see the way I've marked the purple zone here. You can see the purple zone from the close of this bullish engulf candle to the lowest point of this bullish engulf candle. So now let's go down to 5 minutes time frame and see how price reacted inside this purple zone. Okay, all right, this is 5 minutes time frame and this is the purple zone that I drew. All right, you see that price, this is that H4 candle that we saw. This movement, this whole lot of movement is that movement that we saw. Okay, this whole of movement is that movement, that bullish engulf candle that we saw. Okay, and price started moving down, okay. So there's a reference point there, there's another block here, but you notice that when price comes to this other block, we do not notice any bullish engulf candle, so we will not take trade here. And price start moving down, and when we come to this zone again, there's another block here, You can see this red candle is another block, and immediately price comes to this other block, we notice a bullish engulf candle. So at this point is where we take our trade. So let's put our trade here and see what it will give us. So this is where we take this trade. Immediately this price is closing, we take this trade here. Stop loss below this zone. Below here is the stop loss, and the take profit is 1:2. Once you get 1:2, you leave the market. You can see how price plays swiftly without wasting your time. Within some few minutes, the price delivered. Okay, so if you pay attention to this strategy and put it into practice, you'll be making money in this industry every day. Okay, apart from this one that happened, there's also something that plays out that same yesterday, which is a bearish scenario. Let me show you again. The bearish scenario happened yesterday. Now look at the bearish scenario here. Same on H4 candle. Let's go to H4. All right, you can see the bearish scenario here. Let me zoom in. Okay, look at this candle. Look at this red candle that's formed yesterday. This is bearish engulf candle. So immediately this bearish engulf candle happened, you can see the purple zone here. So let's go to the purple zone and see what happened on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what happened on the purple zone. All right, this is 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and you can see that this whole movement from this zone was that bearish engulf candle that happened, and price start what, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. And immediately price get to this fair value gap, we saw a bearish engulf candle. So the entry will be at this zone. Let's put it and see what will happen. Let's put it and see what it will give us. This one now is a sell scenario. Let's look at it. This is our position, and our stop loss is slightly above this place. Okay, and take profit as recommended is 1:2. One, you can see it, 1:2. That price delivered. So go and practice this strategy. This strategy is capable of changing your trading career forever. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video. We also have a free Telegram channel where we drop 1 or 2 signals every week, and that signal is free. See you guys in my next episode.